This is the login page for our online learning platform, Edimy. If you have an account, you can log in as a tutor, admin, or a student here. If you don't have a tutor or a student account, you can create one. By using this toggle, you can choose whether you want to be a tutor or a student. By filling in these fields, you can register on the platform. If you want to be a tutor, after you fill this out, you have to upload the documents that need to be verified by the admins. This is the home page of the student dashboard. Here, we can see upcoming classes in the next 30 minutes. We can refresh this and get the Zoom link. We can also see the classes the student is currently attending. These are quick actions for Find Tutor, My Classes, and the payment sections. This area also shows suggested tutors. Now let's navigate to the profile section. Here we can see the student's profile details. Let's see the payment history section, which shows payments made by the student. Next is the current classes section. Here we can see all the classes the student is attending, along with the class history, the slots attended so far, and class materials. The student can also add or update a rating and feedback. Let's move on to the Find Tutor section. Here, a student can find new tutors. When finding tutors, we have an advanced filtering section where the student needs to select the education level, stream, and subject. The student also selects the class type. In this section, the student can also select a class according to their own free time. Let's book a class. Here, they can select the subject and the class type. There is a one-time class and a monthly recurring class. Monthly recurring means the class recurs every month, while one-time means it's only one class, and the student only needs to pay for that single class. Here we can see a message, No existing classes, which means there are no identical classes. If we select a monthly recurring class that the student is already enrolled in, the system says the class already exists and does not allow them to book it again. However, if the student wants to enroll in a new recurring class, they can create one, and it will be treated as a new booking. Then the student needs to select a time slot. These are the available time slots, and this area shows the ones that have been selected. In this section, the student can also reserve the next month's class slots. Let's go to the payment process. This is the PayHere payment gateway. This also shows the slot reservation timer. The student needs to complete the payment within this time. If they don't complete it in time, the booking will be released and any payment made will be refunded immediately. Here is the payment gateway, where the student can enter their card details to book the class. Finally, in the My Booking section, it shows all the bookings the student has made. Here, they can also request a refund to cancel the booking. This shows the refunding process. After requesting the refund, the system will automatically refund the money to the student's account. Okay, this is the tutor dashboard. After you log in as a tutor, from here you see the tutor's details, ratings, total reviews, and comments. Then, here are some details about your total classes, available slots, and how many subjects you teach. From the schedule section, you can add new time slots so students can choose the times you are available and book a class. From the Add Time Slot button, you can add a new slot, and from the existing slots, you can edit and delete a time slot. In the Classes tab, you can see all the booked classes. From the Join Class button, you can start a class, and from the Add button, you can add a document to that class. In the Analytics section, you can see all the subjects you are teaching through this platform. From these charts, you can see how much you earn each month and what your total earning is, and you can get those views monthly and yearly. From the other chart, you can see how many sessions you conduct during these months and how many total sessions you've conducted. And simply, that's all about the tutor dashboard. Here we are on the main Edimy admin dashboard. I'm starting with a global search bar, typing tutor to see the instant menu filtering, then typing admin. I can focus on the cards for total sessions, our total profit in LKR, total subjects, and the overall total users. First, I'm navigating to user management and selecting students. I'll use the search function, typing a name, and then I clear the field. Next, I enter a student ID. By clicking View Profile, I open the detailed profile page. From here, I have full administrative control, showing the options to delete account and the Suspend Instead link. I then click the Back to Students arrow. Next, I navigate down the sidebar and click the Tutors link. Immediately, I'm focused on the top cards, which show me key stats like total tutors. Now, I'll use the search bar, typing in a tutor name to filter the list instantly. After the results refresh, I click View Profile on a specific entry to see the details. On the tutor profile, on the top you can see the Delete and Edit Admin button. I click Edit Admin Settings. Now I expand Tutor Verification and select Pending Approvals. I can click View Documents to review the tutor's verification materials. Next, the re-verification requests. Click All Sessions. After, I demonstrate filtering by entering a tutor ID and then clearing the filter. I then click View Session for a full look at the details. On the Session Details page, I click the Edit Session button. I then modify the start time and end time fields, demonstrating the schedule adjustment capability, and click Save Changes. I quickly check Ongoing Sessions, then move to Payments and Transactions, and click All Transactions. I navigate to the FAQ management. I can click Create FAQ to add new support content easily. Finally, I expand the Admin section and select Create Admin to show the account creation form. To wrap up, I click the Admin drop-down at the top, select View Profile to check my own details, and then log out.